In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and purchase a product using Google to help guide you through the entire process on DHgate. So let's start from the very beginning and make sure you're comfortable with each step along the way. Now, the first step in our journey is quite straightforward. You'll want to open your favorite web browser and type in DHgate into the Google search bar. A quick search will take you directly to the DHgate website, which is a popular online marketplace known for its wide range of products at competitive prices. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll notice several categories and a search bar that can be quite useful if you already have an idea of what you're looking for. Now the fun part begins browsing and selecting a product. Whether you're looking for electronics, fashion items, or perhaps something for your home, you'll find a vast selection available at your fingertips. I suggest using the search bar or browsing through the categories to find what best suits your needs. Once you find a product that grabs your attention, click on it to view more details. Take your time to read through the product description thoroughly, focusing on key details like the specifications, reviews, and of course, the price. Pay extra attention to the product ratings and reviews from previous buyers. This feedback can provide invaluable insights into the product's quality and the seller's reliability, helping you to make an informed decision. You might find some variations, such as color or size options, so make sure to select your preferences before proceeding. After you've decided on a product and are ready to make a purchase, head over to the checkout page. This is an essential part of the process because it's where you'll finalize your order. One crucial area to pay attention to here is the estimated delivery time. Just beside it, you'll see the courier name highlighted. Click on it and you'll be presented with a choice of couriers that offer different shipping speeds and prices. Choosing the right courier can make a significant difference, especially if you need your purchase to arrive quickly. So weigh the options and choose the one that best fits your needs in terms of speed and cost. Once you've made all your selections and are satisfied with your choice, the final step is to confirm your order. And just like that, you're done. With these easy steps, you can shop confidently on DHgate, using Google as your guide to streamline the process and ensure a successful purchase. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be navigating online marketplaces like a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping.